2016 was a leap year, but you know what we shouldn't leap over? Office 2016 Home and Student. Let me show you how to get a really good deal from Softwarekeep and then how to install it. So hop on over to Softwarekeep where you'll see again there are always great deals to take advantage of. So as always, we're going to head over to the Microsoft Office tab at the top left, and this time we're going to sort by year. So let's head on down to 2016 and you'll see second option there is exactly what we're looking for, 2016 Home and Student. So let's go ahead and click that and you'll see all the software it includes. It reassures you that it works on PC, and if you have a Mac, just to click here. We don't have a Mac, so we're going to add this to the cart and we're going to check out now instead of shopping around some more. So let's go ahead and proceed to the checkout and make sure that this is the screen where you can enter in one of those promo codes, so do so at the very bottom down there. Never forget this, and you'll see less than $90 for the entire 2016 Home and Student Suite is a pretty sweet deal. Now the great guys over at Softwarekeep are going to send you an email with a couple things, a link and a product activation code. Go ahead and click that link, which is going to bring you over to this site. A 3-step process, the first step being logging into your Microsoft account. Now, if you don't have an account with Microsoft, it's not a big deal. It takes only a couple seconds to create one. However, it is necessary since Microsoft's implemented new software, which requires you to sync your account with whatever product you're using. It only takes a couple seconds though. And once you're done that, you get to enter in that product key. So go ahead and find that, which is easy enough to copy and paste into the field, and it's going to verify that it is an authentic code. Once it's completed verifying, simply select whatever country you're from, whatever language you speak, and move on over to step 3. And in all honesty, step 3 is about 90% waiting around for things to install. Lots of fun. So once you click next on step 3, it's going to bring you over to the Microsoft webpage. Go on over to the Install tab and click Install Office. From there it'll ask you to install again, so click yes. From here, once the installation package pops up in your downloads bar, go ahead and click that. And from here is the fun part. It's where you get to sit back, kick your feet up, grab a coffee, give your mom a call to say hi. Well, now that you've finished waiting, Office is finished installing. Go ahead and scroll through the Start menu and just make sure that all the programs are in the right place. But what I'm going to do is open up Microsoft Word. I'm going to do a couple things. I'm going to confirm my account and then accept the license agreement. And what this is going to do is essentially just show that you do in fact have an authentic copy of the Microsoft Suite. From here, everything's good to go and you can continue working on whatever it is you're working on. Well, aren't you glad you came back in time with me? You saved money on great software. And make sure you do check back to Softwarekeep, as there are always great deals on great products. I'm Chase, and I'll see you next time.